Tub Tim Grob, a Thai dessert recipe. Let's begin. So take some chestnuts and cut these into dices as shown and put it into a bowl. Now add some amount of tapioca flour. In Hindi it's called sabudana powder. Now add some amount of rose syrup and mix this well. They are ready to dive. Now drop these diced chestnuts into boiling water as shown in the video and let them boil for some time. Now pick this up gently like so as shown in the video and filter it properly. Now it's time to drop it in a basin of cold water and let it cool for some time. It's time to assemble. Now put these chestnuts into a wine glass. Add some amount of sugar syrup, lots and lots of ice cubes. Now add some fresh extract of coconut milk. Now dropping out some more chestnuts, 4 to 5 kiwi candies and some fresh mint. Mamma mia! Thai dessert Tub Tim Grob is ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.